In this video, you will learn how to change your Spotify country / Spotify location. I opened Spotify and I wanted to log in to Spotify, entering the password. And click on Login. Your country does not match the one set in your profile. To continue use, update your Spotify profile or update your Spotify account. Click on Update your Spotify account. To continue, log in to Spotify. Enter your email address or username and your password. And click on Login. Go to your account overview. There you can see your country or region on Spotify. Click on Edit Profile. Country or region. Click on the list to select another country / your current location or country. And click on Save Profile. Profile saved. Let's try to log in at Spotify again. Enter your email address / username and your password. And click on Login. Congratulations! Now you know how to change your Spotify country / Spotify location. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.